Sir, good afternoon. First, I would like to thank you for accepting my request to interview to talk with you about this matter. Sir, I am Jessica Del Rosario, a resident of Barangay Rizal, City, and it was September 25 when I have read from a newspaper column that your company is in need of a data encoder. I have visited your website to know all the requirements and qualifications needed, and I have submitted it all directly to your office. Luckily, I have the qualifications needed, like 18 years old of age, at least 5'3" in height, a college graduate or undergrad. Sir, I am a student of Lipa City Public College taking up Plagiarized Education Program for BSCS at TESDA Accredited, and I will be graduating on March 2009. Sir, I want to help and grab this employment opportunity because I want to help my family's financial needs. And now, sir, for you to really discuss more about my requirements and qualifications, let me tell you about my knowledge, skills, and of course, my on-the-job training experiences. And I had my very first on-the-job training at Batelec 2 as a PC operator, and the second one is at UCTB General Insurance Company as a hardware services. With these training experiences, I've learned such things. I'm sure I can apply it on this job, such as can optimize Internet Explorer, operate Office documents such as the MS Word, the Excel, and the PowerPoint. I can upgrade and debug computer antivirus software, and of course, very important, assemble and troubleshoot computer software and hardware-related problems. I was supposed to include data or type words in a fast speed and prepare Office documents using word processing software or other software that tasks may require, and there was exposed in different computer hands-on activities. I can perform tasks in expected time and can easily cope in changing situations. I can also perform the office work such as filing documents, answering telephone calls, assisting and disseminating vital information. I am punctual, working, determined, and patient. I am also willing to be trained further and handle or assigned any kind of work. I can perform tasks in expected time without assistance coming from the employee. Sir, all in all, I can say that with of these things that was being gained by me, I can say that I can give an exceptional contribution in your company and show a great service in your management. How I wish to have this employment opportunity. And if you are interested, please call me at 0910 1010 208. Sir, thank you very much for listening.